Is your Acura TLX's alarm going off randomly? You're not alone. Many owners of 2015-2023 models have experienced this, often due to faulty sensors, electrical glitches, or issues with the key fob or battery. First, check the hood and liftgate switches. These detect if the hood or liftgate is open and can trigger false alarms if they malfunction. Next, try resyncing your key fob, as desynchronization can also cause the alarm to activate randomly. Finally, ensure your car battery is healthy. A weak battery can lead to erratic system behavior and false alarms. Addressing these key components can often resolve the issue and is the first step in diagnosing the problem. For faulty hood or liftgate switches, inspect them for corrosion or misalignment. Replacement switches typically cost $50 to $100. For key fob resyncing, consult your owner's manual for the specific procedure, which usually involves cycling the ignition and pressing buttons in a specific sequence. Regarding the battery, ensure it's providing at least 12.4 volts. If it's old or weak, replacement is recommended. Remember, start with the simplest fixes first. Automotive technicians often advise checking the battery first, as it's a common culprit for electrical issues. If DIY fixes don't work, consult a professional to avoid warranty issues and ensure proper diagnosis and repair.